ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ። የተወደዳችሁና የተከበራችሁ የአደይ ስታር ቤተሰቦች በያላችሁበት የዓለም ጫፍ ሰላም፣ ፍቅር፣ ጤና እየተመኘው ቪዲዮውን በላይክ ጀምሩት። ሳብስክራይብ፣ ኮመንት አትርሱ። ቤተሰቦች አመሰግናለሁ።
It is with profound honor and great optimism that I join you today. Here, courage defeated conquest. Here, dignity defeated doubt. And today, history rises again. Today, that same spirit is alive in the 20,000 plus young minds gathered here.
Hello, David.
Hello.
How are you? How you doing?
I'm good. Pleased to meet you.
His name is David as well.
David.
What a coincidence, huh?
I'm David as well.
I'm also David.
Hi, pleased
Nice
to
to
meet
meet you.
Nice.
you. Yeah, you too.
His name is Dr. David Gray. He is
Okay.
the president of University of Niagara Falls, Canada.
Okay.
Basically, I'm from Toronto, by the way.
Oh,
I've been staying in Canada for 7 years.
okay.
Canadian.
Yeah, so you
Proud,
know
huh?
Niagara Falls well?
Definitely.
Okay.
I used to go there every month. Not during the winter, though.
No.
It's
no.
too cold.
Snow, chilly, right? So,
Yes. So David here is very, very brilliant and talented kid.
Yep.
He actually studies about Andromeda, astronomy, and the multiverse. And he is a very, very brilliant and genius kid. Would you like to explain and introduce yourself to him?
Yes, I can explain. First of all, I would like to say welcome to Inadis, and I'm proud and appreciate all of you to make this opportunity and to get here. Then I would like to introduce myself. My name is Daita Labocho. I'm 20 years old. I'm a second year software engineering student in Arbomet University.
Okay.
And I love too much to study about astronomy, about the universe since grade 7 students until now. We try to say the universe is too big, but we also know about the 5%. Even we don't know about the 95%, you know. And also, even these 5% are too broad. You know, there are the big objects like the galaxies. The galaxy means the gravitational bound systems of interstellar matter, gas, dust, neutrons, stars, black holes, and there are a lot of elements in that area. And I want to say thank you, my brother.
As you can see, man, he has the hunger, and most of all, he has the awareness millions do not have. This is special.
I smiled. I've got this smile on my face
I see,
all
yeah,
the way
yeah.
through.
Thank
right?
you.
You took us all the way through, right? To astronomy, Einstein's theory of relativity
Yeah.
was in there, the solar system, the planets.
Yes.
You then went into the technology, the
Yeah.
GPS, the
Yes.
satellites.
Of
right? You know,
course.
incredible, absolutely incredible. You know, clearly you're passionate, right?
Yeah.
You've obviously done a lot of work and research to actually fully understand the subject.
Yes.
You know, and your passion comes through, your enthusiasm comes through, you know, and you're still asking questions, right? You know, towards the end, you were saying, how, why,
Yeah.
what, right? You know, and where can we go from here? You know, so that curiosity, right? That's really what drives students, you know, and you're doing that now, you know, and, you know, what I would say is the University of Niagara Falls, Canada, we are very technologically focused. We focus on data analytics, we focus on computer science, applied artificial intelligence, and so on and so forth, right? You know, and so from what I've seen of you and what I've already learned from you, you know, I think you're a student who would do really well with us, right? Really well with us. You know, and so from my perspective, if you're interested in coming, I can put you in touch with our applications and admissions people,
Okay.
and then you know we can see where this journey takes us.
Wow,
Because I'm excited.
this is
Right?
amazing. This is
Thank you
amazing.
so much.
I'm
Thank
excited.
you so much.
Thank
I'm
you.
excited.
Thank you.
No,
Wow.
absolutely.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
I'm very
Thank
happy
you.
for him.
100%.
You're actually amazing. Thank you so much.
No,
You did.
no problem
Oh,
at all.
thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, and I could sit and listen to you all night. I really, really could.
Really?
Absolutely fantastic.
Amazing,
Yeah, yeah,
amazing.
yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
I will be in contact with you.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Yep.
Dr. David.
No.
You're actually an amazing person
No,
for
no
doing this.
problem. He's the amazing one.
He is actually amazing.
Absolutely
You're amazing too.
Are amazing too.
Thank
And
you.
the same name is
Yeah,
You know,
it's
David,
actually- what a
David.
coincidence.
All the best people are called David.
What a
right?
coincidence.
All the best
Yeah, I
people are
know.
called David.
You're right.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Absolute pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Definitely. Have a good one, yeah?
All right.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
ወይኔ ጉዲና አለ ስማ ልንገር የሆነውን ነገር አልገባችሁም እና ና እዛ ቁጭ ና ኦ ማይ ጋድ እዚህ ጋር ነው
አሪፍ ነበር የእውነት
This is actually crazy.
የእውነት
This is actually crazy. What the hell happened?
ኮራቢ
Huh?
ኮራቢ
Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Brother, sorry. We're recording a video. Okay, give me a second. What the fuck? ምንድን ነው ያጋጠመው?
እግዚአብሔር ቸርነት ነው። እኔ ራሱ አላውቅም። የድንግል ማርያም ፈቃድ ነው። ሜሪ
የታባት ጀግና መድኃኒዓለም ጀግና። እንኳን ደስ አለሽ።
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We did it.
አሪፍ ነበር።
አደረግነው።
የእውነት
ፕሬዚደንት እኮ ነው ያገኘው። He is the president of የናያግራ ፎልስ
Really?
የሚባል ካናዳ ውስጥ እኔ የምኖርበት ከተማ ቶሮንቶ ነበረ። ሁለት ሰዓት መንገድ ነው። በጣም ትልቁ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ነው ካናዳ ውስጥ። በጣም ትልቁ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኦፍ ቶሮንቶ የሚባል አለ። የናያግራ ፎልስ ነው ከኒውዮርክ አጠገብ ማለት ነው። አሜሪካ ቦርደር ላይ ነው ያለው። ከፕሬዚደንቱ እንደዚህ
በጣም ደስ ይላል። እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ።
እሱ አፕሩቫል ከሰጠ ማለት ነው ካናዳ ገብተሻል። ልጅ ተመቻችቷል። ትማሪያለሽ። ህይወት ተቀይሯል ብሮ።
ሜሪ አመሰግናለሁ። ሁሉም ነገር ያው ባንተ
በላይ በደንብ እንግሊዝ ተዘጋጅተን የመጣኸው በደንብ ነው የተናገርከው። ራስን በደንብ ነው የወከልከው። እግዚአብሔርን እወዳለሁ። እሺ፣ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ፋሲካ አለች። ሃይ ፋሲካ። ፋሲካ ወይ ናይስ ቱ ሲ ዩ። ናይስ ቱ ሲ ዩ። እሷን ነበር እየፈለኩ ስንቴ እንደጠየቅኩኝ ላንቺ እኮ
እኔ ራሴ ፈልጌ ነበር።
እውነት ቴክስችን አይቼዋለሁ። አውርተናል። ያው ታገኘዋለሽ። እሺ የኔ እናት ስላገኘሽ ደስ ብሎኛል። ፋሲካ አለች እዚህ የኔ እናት። እሺ አልፋታሽም ዛሬ ፋሲካ እያልኩ ነው ሙሉ። እሺ የኔ እናት። ኦኬ ሶ ሌትስ ጎ ኢን። በደንብ እንግባ ወደ ውስጥ። ማይ ብራዘር
ያማን
ተመልከቱ፣ ስራ ላይ ነው፣ እየተሰራ ነው አይደለ? እንዴት ነው
ዮናታን? የሙዚቃ ስራዎች
የታባች ኢንጆይ እያደረክ ነው? አረ አሜዚንግ ሌትስ ጎ። ዮኒ the man the greatest ይልሃል። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ዚመር አሉ። ዚመር የታባቱ የናባት ቴንክ ዩ ነባይ። ይኸው እንደምትመለከቱት ጋይስ፣ ይኸው ኢቨንቱ ይመስላል። አሳያቸው ናፒ በደንብ አድርገህ ቴብሎቹን አሳያቸው። እንግዶች የሚቀመጡበት ቦታ አሳያቸው በደንብ አድርገህ። የሚገርም ክላሲክ አይነት በጣም ኤክስትሪምሊ ቢዩቲፉል ኮኦርዲኔትድ ነው። እርቦኛል እኔ ምግብ ሁሌም ከኢቨንት የምወደው ምግቡ ነው። በቃ አይደለ ምግቧ ነች። በቃ ሌትስ ጎ ና ፒና ናይስ። እንግዲህ አሁን ጀንበሩና ዊሃ የሉም፣ ወጣ ብለዋል፣ ይመለሳሉ። ሲመጡ በደንብ አድርጌ ያስተዋውቃቸዋለሁ ማለት ነው። ሌትስ ጎ።
ቪዲዮዎቹ ይሄን ይመሳስሉ ነበር። ላይክ አትርሱ፣ ኮመንት፣ ሳብስክራይብ አትርሱ። ቤተሰቦች አመሰግናለሁ። ክብር ይስጥልኝ። መልካም ቀን፣ መልካም ምሽት።